Our second facilitator is no stranger to humor speech contest as well. So with 16 years of Toastmaster experience, he's been a two-time DTM and a corporate trainer, keynote speaker, consultant, and the author of a business storytelling of leaders. He is also a quizzing enthusiastic and Carnatic music lover and a blogger. Currently, he is serving as our Vice President Education. And please join me in welcoming Toastmaster Sundara.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Actually, both of us will be the workshop facilitator. So to start with, Mohan Karthik Mondas will speak for 10 minutes, and again I'll join him once he completes his session.
Thank you so much. She mentioned Carnatic music enthusiast. Seriously, do you believe this? Gamappa, Gamappa. My daughter is laughing. I started learning from December 2023. Okay, so I bought book from him. I told him, hey, I started doing all this. And now he gave the intro for me, like Carnatic music enthusiast. But when I go and sit in the Carnatic music class, no, the ma'am says, Stuti. And Stuti is not coming for me actually, to be frank. I'm just trying to cope up with this. Okay. Humor, when we say humor, what is it we will say? Where the humor is? I think most of you will relate to Tamil movies, right? There is one movie where Vadivelu sits in a bar and they say, music in the bar, there is music. And they will be discussing it, come on, put some word. You will go and ask, music it's a crying baby, everywhere it is, everywhere it is there, right? The same way, humor is everywhere. All we need to do is, we need to see with a different perspective. That's it. Whatever pain or problem, issue, challenge we saw some time back, if you look at it after 10 years with the current maturity, that problem, that will be humorous. That's it. Pretty simple. Right? Pretty simple. So, in 2011, I was not a Toastmaster. Okay? At that point, we will not sell tickets through online. Like district conferences, division conferences, it is not online. People come to the club and sell tickets. Hey, there is a district conference, division conference, you come and attend. And one of my friends told me, the best way to improve communication is Toastmasters. Why don't you go to Toastmasters? I went there, I sat in the last bench, and 7 people were in the club, and it is really disorganized. And nobody was prepared. Hey, you be the accountant. So that's how it's happened. And one fellow gave a speech and did not appealing at all. And this fellow came in and he was selling ticket. He was telling best of the best speakers will be best of the best speakers. I don't see anyone here is best. And how I am going to improve communication joining it, that is the feel I had. And finally he said, 250 rupees and you have non-veg buffet. Seriously, come on, give me 2 tickets. Marina Towers, Sunday morning, Egmore, 8:30. Okay, Sunday morning. Imagine I'm not a Toastmaster. There's no suit, tie, nothing. Spider-Man t-shirt, torn jeans, sneakers, along with my wife. And my wife and I were there in Marina Towers, 8:30 in the morning. We entered the hall. Shocker, I was looking at my wife and she was looking at me. Morning 8:30, Sunday, summer, all the buggers inside with suit and tie. Oh my God, and we are the odd one out. Okay, from that point, for me, the pain in Toastmasters is having this suit and tie. It's not a pain, to be frank. It's flamboyant when you come here. It looks good, all that were there. But I was thinking, why these guys are doing this? Why don't we change this? For me, it is an issue or pain or challenge. You give a funny solution to it. Right? That is what I did in my speech. If lungi is the official costume of Toastmaster, how it would be? That is what, you give a funny solution to it. Imagine if lungi is the official costume, how it would be? What are all things it can do?
You can still go inside that.
Relaxed.
It is relaxed, breezy, right? And every Toastmaster you pay, how much you pay? $60 every term. And additionally, conferences you pay 3,500, 250 rupees, all that you pay. In addition, this suit, how much it will cost? Minimum 5,000. Minimum 5,000. So if you want some quality thing like linen and all that, it will be around 8,000, 8,500 bucks. Right? If it is lungi, 150 rupees. You don't have to wear the same suit for all the conference. This is one solution. Okay? And one of the poorest member in club, there is something called EXCOM. Okay, Vice President Education. Chalakannan is the Vice President Education. Nobody respects him. Nobody responds to him. He is the one. And he asks people, hey, come on, road is there, who is available? Nobody responds to him. If lungi is the official costume of Toastmaster, imagine, Chalakan, if you tie like this, your body language automatically changes. Madhu, next time when you come, don't see the mobile, you have to be prepared. That's how you need to speak. Hey ma, meeting is at 8:45, when you are coming? So that's how the body language automatically changes. And during contest, one of the poorest fellow is surgeon at arms. He will be given orders and directions to perform a lot of activities, and one of the important orders is collect the mobile from the contestant. As if these guys are going to bomb or something, they will collect all the mobiles. And this fellow will press the panic button and search for cover, handbag, carry bag. If it is lungi, kangaroo bag. You can put your mobile, your tablet, all that. So this is what I was doing throughout my speech. If lungi is the official costume of Toastmaster, for me this is the pain. And how this pain can be resolved in a funny way. And I sat with my club member Uday Kumar Ukesveru. Okay, I sat with him and listed around 35 ideas. Hey, come on, cheaper, all that we list down 35 ideas. And from that 35 ideas, narrowed down to 13, 14. And that is how I came. Okay, there is a problem or an issue or a challenge. For that, you give a funny solution. And I was in one of the community clubs, and in Toastmasters there is a practice. Best speaker. They ask you to give a ballot, quote a ballot that who is the best speaker. And there is one fellow was really sulking. Oh my God! I was asking him in break, what happened? No, I have not received the best speaker. For that, why you are feeling